Former Director of Tourism and Public Commentator William Joseph, in an exclusive interview with GBN, said there is a lot of risk-taking on the part of hotel, guests, employees, and the government of Grenada during this COVID-19 pandemic. He said once government allows business to proceed, the risk is unavoidable, and therefore the takeaway is the need to ensure there is no blurred lines.
The context is everything. The management arrangements, the policy framework in which we allow the business to take place, those things need to be settled at a level that does not admit situation where people compromise. Because once there's a talk about compromise, I don't know, so I don't necessarily want to repeat what I'm hearing. But if in fact compromises have been made, then ipso facto, on that basis, it is very likely that people are going to find themselves compromised and contract the disease.
As it relates to the affected resort, Williams said the brand is capable of protecting itself.
Sandals, because of its tremendous marketing power and so on, may have been the best bet for a fairly large number of people coming into Grenada. But I don't know that there's any other hotel in Grenada that can say that it has attracted hundreds of visitors onto the destination in the present circumstances. So it's a grind. It's always going to be a grind until we get to that, to the vaccine situation where that would allow some degree of normalcy to return to lives and to the marketplace, and before we could begin to talk about tourism in the ways in which we've been accustomed to talking about it.
Joseph told GBN that there is never going to be a buoyant period of tourism in the near future. He said one needs not to be optimistic, but at the same time, not to be pessimistic.
Sandals is an important and very distinguished international brand in tourism, insofar as the hotel business is concerned. So they know their business. They know their business. And if you would recall that in the early periods of the pandemic, they posted up their platinum protocols of cleanliness. A standard is a promise to everyone wishing to use and enjoy Sandals facilities as to what they could in fact expect at the Sandals resort.
Cherry and Blackman Stephen, GBN News.